Hi everyone, it is Farid. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Windows 8.1 using USB flash drive for free. First step, we need to download Windows 8.1 image. Open your favorite browser, type on the search bar Windows 8.1 download, then hit enter. Here is Microsoft website. Open this first website or open this first link. Here is Windows 8 image file. Scroll down. Here select your edition. I want to select Windows 8.1. Then click on confirm. Select your language. I want to select United States, English United States. Then click on confirm. Sometime you will get error here. Look, here we get this error. If you get this error, use one VPN. Any VPN you want. I want to use this VPN. You can use other VPN you want. Now I want to refresh this page. We solve this problem or this error with VPN. If you get this error, use VPN. Any VPN you want. If you have problem with VPN, comment for me. You want to download Windows 64-bit or 32-bit. I want to download 64-bit. Look, it is ready to download. But I have already downloaded Windows 8. Now, come back here, click in this PC, then come to download. Look, here I have Windows 8.1 download. Again, we need to download one other software. It is Rufus. Type here rufus.ie, then hit enter. With this software, we can boot or we can bootable USB flash. Scroll down. Here we have Rufus standard. It is 4.4.exe. Click here. It is a software with a small size. It's already download. Come to this PC. Come to download. Here I have Rufus. In the third step, you need to plug in one USB flash. You need 8 gig USB flash or above of 8 gig. I have 16 gig USB flash. I want to plug in on the system. My USB flash is ready. It is 14 gig. In this step, close this page, and also you can close your browser. Come back to download. Double click in this Rufus or right click, click run as administrator. Here is one message. Do you want to allow this app? This message is not appear on video, but you click on yes. After that, you will see this page. It is your USB flash name. When you come here, it is my USB name. It is already detected with this software. After that, click in this select. Select your Windows 8 image. My Windows 8 image is on download. Then click on open. First select, then click on open. Leave everything as default. Just click in this start. Here you will get this warning. No problem. Click on OK. This step will take a few moments. Now it copy the file on the USB flash. It will take a while. Just wait. Now it is finished. You can click in this close. Open this PC. It is USB flash unplug your USB flash. Again, plug in your USB flash. I want to come back. When you see this chip on USB flash, it means your flash is ready to install Windows. It means it is bootable now. In this step, restart or shut down your system. It is better to shut down.
Plug in your flash drive on your system. Now look, here we have power button. When you press your power button, then press F12 if your computer is Dell. If you use HP, press F9. Here is Dell. I want to press power button, then press F12. In this step, use from arrow key. Look here, there is arrow key. Select this USB storage device. Here is internal HDD. Here is USB storage device. Then hit enter. This step takes a few moments. Now the installation is start. Here, leave everything as default. Click on next. Click on install now. Click here. I don't have product key. Check this icon. Click on next. Select the second one. Here is so important for you. My drive C is this one. It is 88 gig. I want to format this drive. You also select your drive C, then format this drive. Click on format. Click on OK. It will take a while. Now here is also 88. Click on next.
Guys, in this step, if you are new here, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more useful content like this. And don't forget to like this video. This step will take a while. Your system will restart or click in this restart now. If you see this message, click on Windows 8.1. This step also take a few moments. Here enter your PC name and also you can change this color. It is so interesting. I think this color. Maybe this one. Right here your PC name. I want to write here admin. Then click on next. Here click in this customize. In this step click in this yes. Here click on next. Again next. Again next. I don't have internet. Click here, create a local account. Write your username. My username is admin. Write your password. Repeat your password. Here write something you remember your password. For example, my password is number. Then click on finish. I choose a different username. Okay, admin is not acceptable. I want to write root. Finish. Now we successfully download and install Windows 8.1. If you want to install Windows 7 or Windows 10, then watch this two videos. Have a good day. See you soon.